In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I'm trying to film a very beautiful and rare variety of butterfly which is visiting our rooftop garden. Viewers, its size is also very big as compared to other butterflies. It is hovering over different plants. I just want to capture it. Viewers, it seems that elusive black monarch butterfly has gone, but right now I'm shooting a dragonfly. You can see this dragonfly. It is sitting on a twig attached with a vincarusi plant, and you can see that it has bended its wings inwardly, and you can also see the movement of its head. Yes, dragonflies are very powerful flyers. They even hunt during their flight, and they always effortlessly glide sometime throughout the day. This is the rainy season, and you can see that plants are looking very fresh. It has flew away. Here you can see a beautiful sunbird. It is perching on a branch and it's about to suck the nectar of that tree, giving orange flowers. You can see in the center of the screen this beautiful sunbird. It is visiting. So viewers, stay tuned to Ashraf Botanical Garden, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do it now, and don't forget to press the bell button for earliest notifications. Take care of yourself and your flora and fauna. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.